one that I worry about a lot is fast food. I mean, and those are not particularly skilled, desirable jobs, but the reality is that millions and millions of people rely on those jobs to a large extent, especially in the United States, again, where we don't have a great social safety net. They are the jobs of last resort. They're almost, something that has always existed for people to do when they don't have another choice. And yet we see there's a company in San Francisco that's working on a hamburger robot that will crank out about 400 hamburgers per hour. And whether it's that particular company or not, I think it's inevitable that more automation is coming to fast food. It's probably coming to Starbucks. It's going to be across the food service industry. It's also coming to the retail industry. These jobs that people really rely on are going to begin to disappear and get harder and harder to come by. And at the same time, of course, we've got algorithms coming for the higher skilled jobs. So I think that it's really a big risk in terms of
kræŋk out, kræŋk out, kræŋk out.